Hello and welcome, it's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a little pour today. This is a 40, oh no, I think it's a 50 by 50 canvas square. So I'm going to try and do a different composition on it. Again, I would like to just do my colours around there and leave this area in there blank. So I'm going to just use an acrylic marker just to mark my inner circle. This shouldn't show through because it's acrylic, and so when it's mixed with the other paints it should just disappear. So let's hope so. Rightio, I'm going to go around the edges of it with just the white paint. I think my paint needs a bit of a shake up actually, like me. I need a bit of a shake up. Rightio. So I'm gonna just sort of duvalacky that, just to give it it's just to give me a bit of a guide really, and try and achieve a little bit of a different composition on the paint. So I have some U-Butte colours mixed up here. I've got the cool red, which I'm going to kind of do the wiggles outwards on this. My goodness, it's beginning to look like a crime scene. Better alter that straight away. I just wanted something like really bright and fiery, so what better colour? This is the cool red. I'll use the last of my bitter. Rightio, and I'm going with the warm yellow. I'm thinking that I might put a stencil in the centre after it's all dry. I might do. We'll see how it goes. If you follow my channel, you know that it's subject to change at a second's notice. So just try new things. Let it be enjoyment. Don't have to stick to plans. It's your art room, your rules, your way, and all of that. So. Oh, that's a nice sunny kind of bright colour already together. I love it. So I'm going to plonk something else that I think will really look lovely in there too. And that is the, well, it's a cool blue. It's cool blue in global, but it's very similar to phthalo blue. It has just started to pour with rain. It is Australia Day here in Australia. At January the 26th is Australia Day, so it's a public holiday. But we are going out for a meal tonight with our children, some of our children, and my little baby granddaughter. So that's a really nice thing for us to look forward to as grandparents. Can be the light of your life and also a worry of your life. Rightio, those colours are looking pretty smart together. I like them. I think that's all I'm going to need, because I'm just going to put some more white in there. But that's pretty, I like that already. I'm just going to pour my white. And a zigzaggy wiggler. Probably best do some paint in there. Just spread it with a smaller spatula. That's probably what I'll do. There you go. So I'll get some white in there. Like I said, I might do a stencil, or I might just end up doing something else. Who knows? That's the beauty of it. Rightio, I'm going to go over with my heat one first. Rightio, and now my, whoops, my little, it's just called a mini travel dryer, this one. I'm going to do the wiggles. It is a chaos blow. It's chaos. Colourful chaos. That's actually very gorgeous. Wow. Oh my goodness. I mean, look at that. That has got no silicone in it. That's got no floetrol in it. That is the weirdest. I mean, gorgeous, but crazy. Look at that. That is a colourful, colourful chaos blow, isn't it? Gonna hit it with the heat gun again. That is quite bizarre. It hasn't gone like my normal Dutch pour. I think I might do around the edges to soften the edges. This is just a balloon and it has a little bit of water in. I don't normally put any more than this because if it bursts it completely wrecks everything, makes a mess everywhere. So I'm just like it because it adds a little bit of weight. So I'm going to just go round the inner circle to soften up the circle. Doesn't have to be a kiss, it can be a roll. Got a pesky fly flying around here. That's really quite lovely. I really like that. So it doesn't really need to have anything. You can absolutely certainly have some negative space in it. I don't think I'll put a stencil in this particular one, but because I love it as it is, just with a bit of swirling, and that's quite lovely. Rightio, well, I hope you like that particular crazy pour today. Another crazy, I'm just, I don't know what's going on here. It looks stunning. It looks stunning. The colours are absolutely beautiful together, softening off that edge for the composition. I think it's really quite lovely. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think? You're important. I mean, well, when it's your art, your room, your way, you do it exactly as you like. And everything, you know, everybody has different tastes, that's for sure. So, yeah, let me know what you think. I loved it myself, and I think it's so bright and cheerful. So with a nice gloss varnish or a wipe-on resin coat, it will just be a stunner. Please take care, you lovely people. Until tomorrow, I'm back every day. I'm here every day. So thank you so much for joining me, and please join me tomorrow. Bye for now.